So for our pig, first and foremost, we wanted to get the hind legs to do a salt cure on, turn them into hams or prosciutto. Beyond that, we wanted to take the ribs and use those for the barbecue, and then take the shoulder and the rest of it and grind them up to make fresh sausages. Now, we were also hoping to get enough belly fat to make a roll of pancetta or bacon, but there just wasn't enough on there, so we're going to instead use that fat to add to the sausages so that we get the right ratio of fat in there. If you're going to butcher an animal, it's super important to get the right tools. You got to have a proper butchery knife with a curved blade that's razor sharp. Also get a proper bone saw, otherwise you're going to end up with just a hacked up mess that you won't be proud of. So there's our rack of ribs.
So full rack one side of the ribs, so that's great. Put these on the barbecue tonight.
And also make sure that everything is super sanitary as much as possible. Wipe down your tables and your tools with vinegar. Wash your hands over and over again. You got to be super cautious. You don't want to get 9-12 months into a cure and then find out your meat is spoiled so you can't even use it.
Could be.
If you like this video, check out our whole channel, Eat and Be Eaten. We've got more hunting videos, fishing, Hawaii recipes, sustainable techniques out in the orchard. So hit the subscribe, the notification, the like, all that stuff. We'll really appreciate it. And let's get back to it.